I'm back. Got a new 3D printed cannon. This time it's a 25 caliber steel ball bearing in there. 100% solid infill printing. This can is pretty thick. I'm pretty certain it'll go through both sides. The charge is not a firecracker charge this time. It actually comes from the core of a bottle rocket, and I believe it's black powder. It's real fine. I just rubbed the outside of it. I unwrapped and rubbed the outside, and probably got about the same volume of the BB and black powder down there in the behind it. And then I got a little bit of wadding in front of the in between the black powder and the projectile, and then I packed it down there, and it's a pretty tight fit. I'm actually a little nervous about this one. It's not that heavy of a charge. I know mini cannons are machined, lathed out of steel or whatever, can withstand this no problem, but this is 3D printed, and so I'm nervous about this. You know, it could explode. One way to find out. Well, that sucks. Alright. It's that little piece that I didn't take off. I have to try to get this off without pulling it out of the breech, because if I pull it out of the breech, sorry, y'all can't see what I'm doing right now. Alright, let's try to light that again. There it is. Yeah, that's a failure. Alright, so I've reloaded it. This time I didn't use the propellant from the, well, I did. First I used the propellant from 2 firecrackers, flash powder instead of black powder. And then on top of that, I put a little bit of black powder for good measure from the rocket motor. Screw it. Let's see if it works. I think that worked. Wow. Yeah. Wow. I think it's a good thing that I had the wood angled. Yeah, there's the dimple. Alright. So that was 2 firecracker charges, which was not a lot. Which was not a lot at all. Let me see if I can find the round. It's doubtful. Maybe. Where was that thing even placed? I don't remember anymore. Come on, baby, where are you? I didn't have that thing clamped down too hard. I started to wonder if I was bearing down pressure on the barrel too much. It's 100% printed. So where is that BB? Where are these BB? Where is the BB? It couldn't have gone in the ground much if it did, right? Ah, screw it. I don't care. That's all right. I was starting to wonder if it even worked, judging by the first test. See how the cannon stayed intact. All right, that's promising. I guess now I know what to do.